In 1982, Toyota built trucks that would outlive your dogs, your house, civilization itself. But they weren't exactly glamorous. And that's where we came in. Now this isn't some exotic Italian diva. It's not making absurd horsepower. It's a 1982 Toyota. And that's precisely why it matters. It's built to last. It's built to run. It's built to start every morning without complaint. But after 40 plus years, even the most loyal machine deserves a bit of love. Let's begin with the obvious. 1982, paint was optimistic. After years of sun, weather, questionable washing techniques that kind of left the truck looking like, can I say shit? So we stripped it down properly. We wanted to block it smooth, fix any minor imperfections that you might have found in the metal. We weren't going for some flashy color. And honestly, we chose a decal package that you could have gotten back in the day. We wanted to kind of look like how Toyota would have delivered it today. Clean lines and a deep gloss. Now then, the engine. This wasn't a giant turbo build. We weren't trying to make radical numbers with it. We wanted reliability. So went completely through the motor. New head, all new gaskets, some modern touches like adding AC. And then we put one of those Holley Sniper 2-barrel carbs on it. So now when you start the motor, it starts instantly, it runs smoothly. It's just what a 22R should be doing. It's not loud, it's not dramatic, it's confident. Now let's get to the part that really transformed this car, the interior. Now in 1982, you kind of had three things going for it. It was functional, it was durable, usually came in various shades of brown. Now, as you can see, we really did a number on this. We made it as bucket seats, all trimmed in leather, custom leather, center console. We really kind of stayed away from that spaceship dashboards that you see in a lot of new stuff and kept it pretty classic up front. Upgraded it with Bluetooth radio. You have AC controls now that you wouldn't have had before, but really kind of kept it 1982-esque inside the cab. Some builds are about horsepower, some builds are about shock value. This one was about quality, doing things properly, and proving that even the most humble of vehicles deserve a second lease on life. Now, if you guys like cool builds like this that aren't loud builds, hit subscribe. I'm Sam Mapes with Sam's Upholstery, and I'll see you on the next one.